Exercise and the American Worker. Dorota and Helena are on a walk.
Look at that woman in a business suit. Why does she have sneakers on?
That's Louisa. She walks during her lunch hour. She wears sneakers on her walks. Some Americans exercise during their lunch hour.
Where does she walk in the winter?
Maybe she goes to a gym nearby. There are many gyms in the city. Or maybe she goes to a gym in her office.
In her office? What do you mean?
Some office buildings have gyms for their workers. They're free.
That's very interesting. I see a lot of people on bicycles here too. Look, who rides a bicycle in traffic downtown?
She's a bike messenger. She works on her bicycle. She rides her bike and takes mail from one office to another in the city. Bike messengers always ride fast. They get a lot of exercise every day.
Do all Americans exercise every day?
Some Americans don't exercise at all. They have desk jobs. They sit all day. But many people try to exercise a little every day. I do too.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I walk. It's great exercise. I stay healthy this way.
Where do you walk? In a gym?
No, a gym costs money. I go to a park near my house.
How often do you exercise?
I try to walk 5 days a week, but I don't always have time.